Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your liked videos on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on Facebook, tap on your profile picture or the three horizontal lines menu. This will open a new screen with various options. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings from the expanded menu. A new screen will appear with various settings options. Scroll down to your Activity section, and under it, tap on Activity Log. Now you're on the Activity Log page. Tap on your Facebook activity, and a menu with different options will appear. From here, select Comments and Reactions, and then tap on Likes and Reactions. Here, you'll see all the posts, videos, and reels that you've liked recently. To find the videos you've liked, look for the video or reel tag next to the activity title. Once you find the video, tap on the three dots next to the activity. A pop-up menu will appear, and from here, tap on View. Now, you can watch, dislike, or comment on the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips.